We're tackling a key concept for your PRINCE2 exam, the difference between the outline business case and the detailed business case. Understanding when each is created, its purpose, and its level of detail is critical for answering scenario-based questions correctly. The outline business case is developed during the starting up a project process. Think of it as a draft or a feasibility check. Its main purpose is to provide just enough information for the project board to decide if it's worthwhile to even invest in the next step, which is the initiation stage. For example, a company wants to reduce customer service calls. The outline business case would briefly describe this problem, suggest options like implement a new chatbot or hire more staff, and provide high-level estimates of expected benefits, costs, timescales, and major risks. It's based on the initial project mandate and is assembled into the project brief. The exam will test this by giving you a scenario where a project manager is gathering preliminary justification to get approval to plan the project properly. This describes the outline business case. Now, let's contrast this with the detailed business case, which is sometimes called the full business case. This document is a major output of the initiating a project process. It takes the initial outline and builds upon it with robust data, detailed analysis, and firm evidence. Using our example, the detailed business case would include market research on chatbot effectiveness, firm quotes from vendors, a thorough financial analysis like net present value, a detailed project plan, and a formal benefits management approach. This is the document the project board uses to authorize the actual project and release the significant funding. A common exam trap is to confuse when each document is created and its purpose. The outline business case justifies the initiation stage, while the detailed business case justifies the project itself. Another major trap is viewing the business case as a one-and-done document. PRINCE2 heavily emphasizes the principle of continued business justification. This means the business case is a living document, maintained throughout the project's lifecycle and formally reviewed by the project board at the end of each management stage to ensure the project remains desirable, viable, and achievable. If at any point the justification disappears, the project should be stopped. To help you remember the sequence on exam day, use this simple mnemonic, SUOIPD. That's starting up gives you the outline, initiating provides the detail. Think of the outline as the initial sketch and the detailed version as the final approved blueprint. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.